Classic American Homes New Hampshire floor plan, new construction, complete move-in ready. A super single-story home with 2 living areas, a large dining area, all open floor plan. Beautiful kitchen with large breakfast bar open to living and dining area. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and rich wood cabinets. 3 bedrooms with master suite zone separate. Central refrigerated air and gas furnace. Please visit Model Home 840 Lemington Open daily 10 a.m., 6 p.m. Ask about our builder-buyer incentives. Photos are for demonstration purposes only and a floor plan. Colors may vary.